Before reaching the camp, the roadside, there's a tea garden. Wow, so greenish. Hi, the way to the camp of the Mandu resort. There's this. What are the games and sports are written here? Campsite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Okay, this is the way. I'm going to that place. And if I get permission, then I'm going to show you the Mandu swimming pool there. The above. There you can see. There. I think some tourists or some persons are swimming at present there. So I may get permission or not. I will check it again. This is the way. Well, again, almost reaching the camp. There, as you can see, a counter here. It is very necessary, or cannot get there without taking a ticket. This is the ticket. So per person who wants to go to the campsite, it goes, or you have to buy the ticket, it goes rupees 50. This is the way, okay? You can see here, this is a place where you can bait fish. Well, this is the camp, okay? It is an event place. You can see there. Already the personnel or the person who help in this resort, they are working here, cleaning before the tourists and the local people when they arrive. In this camp, after a little exhausted, then you can come here and you can take rest a while, and you can have refreshment like tea, coffee, etc. here. This is the place. Okay. In the middle, it is built here. This is hanging bridge. The name is given like this, Burma Bridge. There you can do drilling like a commando. Okay. Wow, commando net. And if you buy ticket per one aimed or firing, how much I do not know. This is air gun. And there you can see archery also you can have there. Okay, this is the place one can climb and you can take rest on top of the tree. Some people are here. They are doing the air gun here. That's air gun. And you can see here commando net, place where I have already said before, I'm going to show the swimming pool if I get the permission. If don't, then what to do? Okay, please don't regret. This is the view of the resort, the Mandu. There you can see the place where tourists guests they lodge. You can see the view of Karbi. Nicely planted trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, six guest house are there. From the camp again I'm going to the main place, okay, the where swimming pool is there. So whether I get permission or not, then we check again, okay. So you can see the map here, the MANDU resort map, okay, and this you can see it's written like this: outside guests are not allowed beyond this point. So the manager didn't allow me, okay. So the viewers and subscriber don't feel sad. So I'm going up to there, okay. Oh, this is the way or staircase. The place where the manager allowed up to there, I will climb, and okay. You can count how many steps are there in this. Oh, it's a sloping place. These are the view. For it is not allowed because there are some tourists. That's the main tourist reception place, and there are many vehicles are there, tourist vehicle. Wow, I request you all to come one day and experience the thrill, the serenity. So I am reaching, and from this point I am not allowed to enter or show you the swimming pool. Hi sir, good morning. So up to here, so that's the swimming pool, okay. With up to this I conclude my content. Thank you. So finally I am leaving the MANDU The Escape resort. There's you can see this is the last junction to the MANDU resort, okay. So you can see there MANDU The Escape, and there you can see that hill. You have to remember, and this is ethnic village. Every week at least one resort I'm going to show you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Blaze Ronghang Presents. Thank you very much.